All right, today I want to share a very practical tip for how you can find a top performing campaign from last year or last season and duplicate it again for this year. So you're going to go over to your Analytics, Campaigns tab. This is where you can see all your campaign details. And maybe I'm trying to do a sale campaign this year and I want to know what were some of my best performing year-to-date sales. What you could do is just click into one of these and it will pull up the campaign canvas and give you more information about like what the actual email looked like and what all the other social media posts were. So this could be a good one to duplicate. If you hit duplicate, you can then make it a September gift with purchase. And maybe you don't want the products, but you want to keep the rest of these and pop it over to September, hit duplicate, and now you have a campaign brief and all the various elements already constructed for you. You can update this section with new assets, new copy. It's literally created you a new campaign in half the time that you would normally take. Another option, which I really like doing as well, is to use the search function. So I'm going to go back to Analytics and look at my campaigns. I'm actually going to search for, maybe I want to do like a flash sale. What was the last really good flash sale we did? I don't want one that was in Q4. This one looks interesting. It was really high percentile wise. Let's see what that looks like. So I click on that to open the canvas. Creative is strong. I'm going to duplicate this one. And I'm going to do a fall flash sale 2026. So similarly, you click on duplicate campaign and it's going to pop that into your calendar for this year and update the dates. And you have a new canvas to work on to brief in. You can switch out the products and the creative and you're good to go. You've just created a campaign in the blink of an eye.